Welcome back to another beginner's guide to makeup. Blush is used to add a pop of colour to the face and give you a fresh, healthy, youthful glow. Blush comes in many forms, creams, liquids and powders. Today I'll be showing you how to choose and apply a powder blush. I would recommend using a soft, fluffy powder brush like these brushes that are not too dense and allow flexibility. They provide a light application of pigment and a sheer natural finish. There are so many blushes to choose from. The oldest and easiest way to choose a blush is to go one shade lighter than your lip colour. Another trick is to pinch your cheeks and use a shade similar to your natural flush. However, if you have rosacea or you blush a lot, I would avoid using this technique. So if you want to play around with different shades, I would recommend for light skin, use any shade of pink or soft peaches pastel shades. Medium skin tones are one of the easiest because they will suit most colours, pinks, brownie pinks and apricots. And finally for dark skin, choose shades like brick reds, burnt oranges, raspberries, brownie purples and pinks. Take the colour of choice and swirl your powder brush around the colour. Tap off the excess and dab the brush on the back of your hand. The trick is to start with sheer coverage and you can always build on the colour. The easiest way to apply blush is to take your thumb and place it right above the top of your ear. Place your index finger down to the corner of your nose. This is the area you want to apply your blush. It's not too low, making you look older, and also not too high. Place your two fingers against your nose. This is the space you want to leave free. You can also use the outer corner of your eye as a guide. Swirl your brush in this area and make sure it's blended seamlessly. You can always go back and add more colour if you want more of a flush. You can see already how much this lifts and brightens the face. And that's it, super easy. I really hope you enjoyed this beginner's guide to blush. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. You could always tick the little bell notification so you never miss a video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!